Welcome to our quick guide on how to show your About to Everyone on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever wondered how to make your profile more discoverable or simply want to share a little more about yourself, this walkthrough will show you the exact steps in a clear, straightforward way. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and that your chats are synced so you can access the settings without any hiccups. Once the home screen loads, look to the top left corner of your browser window and locate the gear icon. This is the gateway to WhatsApp's settings on the web. Click it to enter the settings menu. In the settings panel, you'll see several options. Tap or click on privacy. This section controls who can see various details of your WhatsApp profile, including your about status. Under privacy, find and select about. This is the piece of your profile that other users will see when they visit your WhatsApp contact card. Now, you'll be presented with the visibility options for your About section. You'll have a few choices such as My Contacts or Everyone. To show your About to all WhatsApp users, choose Everyone. This setting ensures that anyone who has your contact information or who can access your profile content will be able to view your About description. After selecting Everyone, you're all set. The change takes effect immediately, so people will start seeing your About status wherever they view your profile on WhatsApp Web. If you ever decide to revert this or fine-tune visibility later, you can return to the same privacy about path and switch back to My Contacts or another option that suits you. That's all there is to it. Open WhatsApp Web, access the gear icon for settings, navigate to privacy, select About, and choose Everyone. With these steps, your About is visible to anyone you interact with on WhatsApp Web, making your profile feel a little more connected.